Hello everyone, my name is Elias5891, and I'm here to do a quick how-to on the KTANE module Mystic Square. I'll go ahead and boot this up. We're going to look at it first from the point of view of the diffuser and then as the point of view of the expert, because the two have very different roles and both can give people some trouble sometimes. So, we'll start with this bomb. As far as edge work goes, the only important piece is the serial number, so let's find that. M67 Uniform Sierra 2. Alright, so to demonstrate what the diffuser does, let's look at this module down here. You would give out the diffuser is going to want to give out the numbers in the module to the expert. 572, 1 blank 4, 863. Give the expert a little time, they'll come back and tell you the answer. In this case, hey, skull's under the 7. That is the first thing you need to know. They may also give you what's called an easy solution. I will briefly cover that as well. I'm not going to receive that because I think listening for that is a bit of a time drain. You're better off just doing the basic solution. So we have this one. We know skull's under the 7. First step is move around all the other pieces so you see the knight first. If you uncover the skull first, you get a strike. But if you uncover the knight, that negates the skull's ability to give you a strike. So we'll move everything around. Oh, there's the knight right there. And there's the skull under the 7. Alright, now to solve the Mystic Square, you need to have all of the numbers in order, like a little slide puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, blank. I've seen a bunch of different ways to do this. The way I was taught to do it and the way I think is fastest, though, goes like this. Start with the top row, the 1, 2, 3 row, as far as when it becomes an answer. Put the 1 in the right spot, which we'll do now. Boop. Put either the 2 or the 3 in the wrong spot, but not both. We actually already have that here because the 2 is in the wrong spot. Get the 3 underneath it, and then maneuver your gap so it's next to the 2 and you can slide them into place. Like so. Got the first row done. Now do the first column. 1 should already be in place. Get the 7 and 4 together. Same rule. Get 1 of the 7 and the 4 in the wrong spot. 7's in the wrong spot. Get the other one next to it. Get the empty space moved over there. You can slide them into spot. And then all you've got left is 5, 6, 8, and you can just rotate them around as many times as you need to until they lock into the correct position. That's what you have to do as a diffuser. It's not hard, it's not bad. You can do it. Let's look at one more as the diffuser. Let's take a look at this one here on the left. Alright, expert. My Mystic Square is 841 236 750. We'll give them a little bit of time to figure that out. It's under the 7. Okay. So we move things around till we get this, find the knight. Oh, they were wrong. It was under the 4. I'll have to go talk to my expert on this. There's the knight. Notice now that I've got the knight, though, that I'm not going to get another strike for the skull. So we move the 1 to the spot. 2 into the wrong spot. 3 next to it. Slide them into place. Oh, the 4, 7 are already there. So that's easy. I'm going to disable the beeping for right now. Okay, let's do this one. We'll not worry about where the skull is, since my expert's obviously not paying attention. Expert, where do you think it is this time? Under the 5, you think? Well, let's look around. Oh, there's the knight. You're right that time. Get the 1 into spot. Get either the 2 or 3 into the right spot, or the wrong spot. 2's in the wrong spot. Get the 3 next to it. slide them in. 4 and 7 are actually both in the wrong spot, so we need to get one of them out. There, 7's free. 4's in the wrong spot, 7's next to it. Slide them in. There's the 8. I'm going to do this one. If I hit the skull, so be it. Which I did. Okay, so we get the 1 into the right spot. Oh, we got the 3 into the wrong spot this time. Doesn't matter which one, just getting one of them in. Move the blank up to it, slide them in. These are mixed up again. There you go. 4's in the wrong spot. 7's next to it. We slide them in. And we rotate the rest around. May detonate on this. Oh, nope. Move the 1 to the right spot. 2 into the wrong spot. 3 next to it. Slide them into place. 7's in the right spot, so let's fix that. And then we'll get the 4 next to it. Slide them in. And rotate. And as a diffuser, that is how you do Mystic Square. Now, having seen the diffusers part, let's go take a look at the experts part, which is a lot more, there's a little bit more to it. Alright, so the expert has this page on the subject of Mystic Square, and it tells you a few key pieces of information. The first of which is, this rule is very important to remember, if the middle position is empty, skull's under the 7, always, period, case closed. We don't have any in this particular bomb that I've pulled up here to the side. However, let's go ahead and get the serial number for it. It is Tango Uniform 7, Juliet Echo 6. Let's get Tango Uniform 7, Juliet Echo 6. Now, normally, when I expert this and expert anything, I have a physical paper copy, which is why I'm using Paint. Some people do use Excel, Notepad, something digital. It's all just a matter of preference. Alright, so let's have our diffuser read us off. Let's say this bottom one. 4, 5, 7. 8, 3, 1. 2 blank 6. Alright, so there is my, So there is my starting position. Now, in lieu of actually reading these instructions to you, I'll kind of summarize them the way I feel that is best. You want to take the middle number, which in this case is a 3. And that's going to be which row or which column we use. We're going to look at the last number, the serial number, which is 6. And we're going to determine, is it on this big X here? Is the last digit of the serial number in one of those 6 spots? In this case, yes, the 6 is in one of those spots. If it is, then we're on the cross part, and we're going to use the rows in this table. If it were not, if say 8 were the last digit, because it's not in the X, then we would use the column. So we're doing the on the cross part. Now here, in the on the cross part, we're going to start with the number in the middle of the module. That's the 3. So we're going to use this row, row 3, on the cross part. We're going to do this. So we're going to take this row. We're going to start here in the blank spot. And we're going to move over to each spot if it's adjacent to where we are. So we're going to look at each of these numbers in order. First number, in row 3 is a 6. Is a 6 adjacent to where I'm at? Well, yeah, it's right over here. So we're going to move over to the 6. Now we're at the 6, so keep that in mind. We're here at the 6. Is 4 adjacent to the 6? No, it's up here. Is 8 adjacent? Nope. Is 1 adjacent? Yes, 1 is adjacent to the 6. We're up here now. Continuing from the 1, is 7 adjacent to that? Well, yes, it is. So we move up to the 7. Continuing from there, is 3 adjacent to that? No. And adjacent does not count diagonals, just orthogonal. Is 5 adjacent to the 7? Yep, moving over again. And is 2 adjacent to that? No. So, this final position we end up in, which this time was 4 movements away, that's where my skull is. So we would say diffuser, skull's under the 5. So then our poor little expert's going to come over here, move things around, and there's the skull under the 5. And then they're going to spend time doing whatever method they prefer to get the module solved from there. Maybe they'll use my method, maybe they'll use another one, but they'll get a green. Okay, let's test with another one. So let's wipe this clean. Like so. Alright, let's do the one above it. That's this one here. Okay, numbers this time will be, make the cursor red, 6, oops, forgot to switch to pencil, 6, 1, blank, 8, 7, 3, 8, 7, 3, 2, 5, 4. Alright. We'll do the easy solution just real quick to kind of visualize how that works as well. But same rule. Is the last digit the 6 in the cross part? Yes, 6 is up here. Middle in the number is 7, so we're going to use row 7 right here. Starting from the blank, look at each number. Is the 4 adjacent to our starting spot? No. Is the 7? No. Is the 3? Yes. So now we're at the 3. 6 adjacent? Nope. 1? No. 2? No. 8? No. 5? No. Skull's under the 3. So he'll move around until he figures out the skull's under the 3. Now let's go ahead and give him the easy solution as well, just so we can demonstrate this briefly. To find the easy solution, it's actually pretty simple. You're going to sum each row, add up the numbers in each row from the original situation. 6, 1, blank, 7. 8, 7, 3 is 18. 2, 5, 4 is 11. 6, 8, 2 is 16. 1, 7, 5 is 13. 0, 3, 4 is 7. Find biggest row, biggest column, and then here on the second page of the manual, you'll have a section for, we said column 1 is the biggest, so column 1 is bigger than column 2, column 3. Row 2 is bigger than row 1, row 3. So this would be the easy solution. And I might read this out as a diamond 1, 2, 3, 4 starting at 12 o'clock and going clockwise. Or 1 in the top, 2 in the right, 3 in the bottom, 4 in the left. Either way you want to communicate, that works. And some people will find it easier to manipulate this board until they get to that easy solution. I personally don't enjoy doing that because I have difficulties doing it, although here it is on this particular module solved. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't personally like it, but it's doable. Some people prefer it because they have difficulty with the slide puzzle. Others don't. So it's a matter of preference. All right. We're going to go ahead and end this bomb. And we'll do one more. I'll leave it in the corner, but I'll make it really small. So say goodbye to it for just a minute. I'll give you the information like I had before, and then you take a minute or two to solve it. I'll give you a few seconds. You can pause the video, and then we'll work on it together like we had before. Alright, so for this last one, serial number is Quebec Hotel 6, Bravo Echo 4. Last digit is a 4. Your mystic square is 817 46 blank 532. Go ahead and work that out. Pause the video if you need to. I will be back in 5 seconds to solve. Alright. We're not mad at you anymore. You can come back out now. So, let's take a look at this together. Last digit of the serial we said was a 4. And we decided to do this module, which gives us 8, 1, 7, 4, 6, blank, 5, 3, 2. 4 is not in the cross section, so we're doing column this time. And 6 is my middle number, so we're doing column 6. So 7 adjacent, yes. Is 1 adjacent? Yes. Is 3 adjacent? No. 4? No. 5? No. 8? Yes. 2? No. 6? No. So we end with the skull under the 8. And there's the skull under the 8, as we declared. Oh. Sometimes it's nice because you do find an easy solution almost by accident. Let's see what that one was, because I'm kind of curious now. This is 16, that's top row. That's 17, that's first column's the biggest. So it would have been this easy solution, 1, 2, 4, 3 in corners in reading order, or 1, 2, 3, 4 in clockwise order starting at the top left. So yeah, right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have hit it on accident. And that is how you go ahead and complete Mystic Square. If you have any questions, please feel free to mention them down in the comments below. And until next time, enjoy playing and don't blow up. Alright, have a great day. Bye.